Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got up this morning and what I broke my fingernail. So I'm trying to grow them out and I have really flimsy nails. That way I can get an overlay over them just to help, keep them hard. That way I can have my long nails. But I went ahead and just like peeled off the polish sticker that I had on there. But as you can see, do you see that right there? I broke it. And it's so far up that it's gonna hurt if I clip it or if it rips off. So stay tuned because I'm gonna show you how to repair your fingernail using tea bag. Let's do this. Stay tuned. All right guys, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tea bag. And this is my first time ever filming a video like this where I'm literally not like in the camera. And here's my tea bag. It smells delicious. Pumpkin spice, because I'm one of those girls. And we're going to go ahead and just cut it open, because obviously we're not going to use tea on us, right? So I'm just cutting it open. Don't waste your tea though, because tea is delicious. Pour it in your teapot. Okay. So I can have tea today. Open up your tea bag, and you're not going to need that much of it, okay? So we're just going to cut it open. And you just basically need a piece that is going to be long enough to cover your nail, and you don't want it very wide. So I always cut it longer than what I need. Set this aside. We have this now, okay? And obviously that's going to be a little bit too long, right? It's like, can cover my hand like a couple of times. Sorry, I keep going out of frame because I'm not used to doing this. And we're just going to go back in, because we don't need it that wide. Cut it a little bit thinner, get rid of that. There we go. And I'm just going to see which one will work better. And we can always cut the overhang, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just grab, if you have nail glue, grab nail glue, but I happen to not be able to find my nail glue this morning, so we're using super glue. Because if I don't do this now, I'm going to either bite it off or rip it off today. And we're just putting some super glue down. You're going to grab your tea bag and place it on, okay? If I can get a hold of it properly. Alright. Just put it over where it's stuck, and if you have tweezers, go ahead and use your tweezers, which I actually do. I didn't realize I had tweezers in here with me today. Okay. And just go ahead and saturate that really well, because we want that to stick down to our nail. Right? Like, I need this to stay. Okay? And we're just going to push it down. And we're just going to let it dry, okay? So I'm not going to sit here and bore you while this dries. Shouldn't take too long, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, and we are back. So we're dry, which is good. Try not to use your finger whenever you're going to push that down. You're going to get it stuck all over you. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to trim off that excess. Okay, and you just want to get it as close as possible. Alright, and I'm just going to close up my super glue over here because I forgot to do it. And now it's just time to file a little bit, okay? So we're just going to file that down. Just to smooth it out a little bit, okay? So it's kind of hard to do it from this angle because when it's not like up towards my face so I can see it. And you know, if you need to, like if you have like an electric nail drill, use it, you know, if you feel comfortable doing that, just to get like really in that crevice, you know, do you. I do not. Alright guys, so I got all that gunk that was right around there, and then I just take this just a little bit just to smooth out like the edge of where that tea bag is, okay? I mean, obviously you're going to need to paint your nails, right? We all know this. Okay, once you have that done, this is what it looks like. It's stronger than before, okay guys? Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Alright, so we're just going to grab just a clear polish. And then obviously you're going to put a color polish over the top of this. But I just also just grab a clear one just to help blend that up. I mean, it's not going to look absolutely perfect unless you sit down and you really no, I'm just kidding. But if you just blend by buffing that out a little bit more, which if you have time, go for it. I do not have time because I have to go to work. Okay, so there's the clear polish on there, and I'll probably just go with some clear polish on there today. Or just put one of my nail stickers over the top of it. I love when it's like super fast drying nail polish. It's great. Just to help protect it as well. But there you guys go. Nail repaired until you can get to the salon, or you know, or you can just wear it like this, you know. So that's that. Doesn't it look nice? I mean, you get to keep your nail. It's great. Alright guys, so we did it. We repaired our fingernail and now we can go to work. So y'all have a lovely day. I hope it's stress-free, and I will see you next time. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Peace. Bye.